Guys, these video will be the best AI niche ever because it's super simple to make. And if you want a quick growth in this AI trend, then watch this full video. And subscribe me because I upload daily viral AI trend video tutorial on this channel. But first, take a look at this video which I made in just 2 minutes. So guys, first head over to this prompt link, and now here you will be 2 prompt section. One is for image generation, which is a base of your video, and second is for video generation. So simply copy the full image generation prompt and head over to any chatbot. I am using ChatGPT. Now here, simply paste your prompt here. And now very important step, go to the top part of the prompt, and here you will see animal name section here. In this section you have to mention your animal name, which you want make cute. Now simply type any name and hit enter. After that, ChatGPT will analyze your prompt and will start generating a cute image of your animal. Now once our image is generated, check whether everything is okay or not. In my case, everything is fine. So now I open this and then download it from here. Now after downloading the image, go to Flow AI, or you can use any other AI video generation tool. I am using Flow AI. Now simply click on this new project option and then a window will appear. Now click on the plus icon and it will show you some options. Simply select Upload Image and upload your reference object image here. Flow AI will take some time to upload your image in the highest quality. Once the upload is complete, click on this option and select the video option. Now copy my exact video settings for better and more consistent results every single time. First, change the video ratio to 9:16. Then select the video model as Omni Flash and choose the video duration or video length as 10 seconds. After this, the video quantity is your choice, but I am putting it at 1. Once everything is done, click on your uploaded image and then click on the 3-dot option. It will show you a few options, but you simply need to click on Add to Prompt. After that, your image will be added directly to your prompt box. Now go back to the prompt link and then start selecting the video master prompt. I have added all the direction in this prompt so you don't have to change anything later. Now copy this full prompt and subscribe me because I upload daily viral AI trend video tutorial on this channel. And open Flow AI. Now simply paste your prompt here and click on Generate. Your video will start generating, and once it is ready, let's watch the result together. One more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.